What it do, what it do, what it do, you too. Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a video, because you don't want to miss out on any of these good vibes that I have going on over here. And if you haven't read the title, I am doing the December Boxy Charm. Yes, I know I'm late. I just got it. I don't know why I always get the Boxy Charm late, like in the middle of the month. But I got it. This is the Boxy Charm right here. I would say this is my least favorite Boxy Charm out of, I think I got 4 Boxy Charm. This is my 4th one. This is my least favorite because, but I did try something different. I must say that. I did try some blush that I would never normally do put on blush, and I'm kind of liking the vibe. If you want to see what's inside my Boxy Charm, then let's get right into this video. I'm looking real scary, but anyway, the first thing I see already is this sponge right here. The Sponge and Makeup Eraser. First ever machine washable makeup sponge. Non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and latex free. Latex free. I do want to try this, but I'm scared. It tells you what the sponge uses for. But this is... oh, this is a cute little sponge. Okay, so the back is for powder, this part right here. The front is for concealer, it's saying, and the bottom is foundation. I need my nails done. I haven't got my nails done in a long time. So what you do is you just throw it in this thing, twist it up, and throw it in the wash. Imagine manatees in the washing machine just going... wow. People trying to figure out what it is. Because I live in the building. I don't have my own washing machine. And I don't even think I can put that in the washing machine. People are not going to want to use that washer. I'm like, that's makeup. It's going to get in my clothes. How much is this? $18. Yeah, it says use a wet... apply, blah, blah, blah. What? Soak your sponge in your favorite cleanser or detergent for 15 to 60 minutes. I don't know if I want to have that detergent, you know, soapy feel on my face. You know what I'm saying? I got sensitive skin and my skin break out through anything. So they need to come out with a detergent for the sponge if they're going to have washable sponge for the washing machine. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, next one I see is an iconic London Blaze Chaser face palette. An ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add extra look, warmth, and definition. Blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within. Glow and highlight shades for a flattering candlelight radiance. And this is $55. $55 for this. Is these lights in London? Like, are they hanging up in the London streets? Because I know Jamaica Avenue, we have lights. I'm going to insert a clip. Jamaica Avenue have lights that's always there every year for Christmas. So is this the lights that y'all have Christmas time for London? Or is this just how the palette is supposed to be? And this is $55 for these 6 shades. I don't use blush. I feel like blush on me, I don't know. I'm going to take this shade right here and put it where I applied my contour. As you see, I got a little bit of cream contour there. I don't want to put too much. I guess it's doing something. Okay, a little something it did. And I'm gonna use this, the middle one, for, it says bronzing, I guess. Let's try that. Let's try it. Let's try it. I'll try it now. I feel like it's kind of subtle, but it's cute. Should I try the blush? I don't even know if I should. Let me just try it for you guys. Okay. Okay, she's cute. It's very subtle. Like you can see it, but I guess if you want more of a pigmentation, you would have to like really build it up. I'm gonna go back into the bronze and put that in the inner corner. For $55, I wouldn't get this. Not at all. No shade, I wouldn't get it. It's like very subtle, but it's not too much. You can see it, you can tell that it's there, but it's very subtle. $55, that would be a no. Alright, so next I have Glamnetic Bella Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. Bella is a medium wispy flared lash that gives a classy and beautiful wing eye effect made from high quality, 100% vegan synthetic fibers. The Glamnetic Magnetic Eyeliner is the magic that holds your fave Glamnetic lashes in place all day. The innovative formula is highly pigmented, requires minimal waiting time, and provides all day hold. $63 for these two things though. And this is how it looks. The lashes is cute. The packaging is cute. Shake before use. Glide the brush. How to remove. Use an oil-based makeup remover to remove the Glamnetic Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner. That is a tongue twister. Glamnetic Magnetic. Glamnetic Magnetic. Glamnetic Magnetic. Magnum. What? No. But this is how she looks. Let's pull her out and see what she's working with. Okay, I'm gonna use the mirror in here. I forgot to say that it had a mirror. So let me peel this off. Yeah, I might not be using this. I mean, if you guys want it, let me know. All you have to do is clean it and I'll send it to you. But yeah, I'm not gonna be keeping that. If you want it, let me know. Inbox me on my Instagram. And you can just spray it down with alcohol and use it. Because I only used it this one time for this video. I'm like, how much am I supposed to put? And I'm using this, and I said if you want it, inbox me. Let me use another mirror. Oh my god, it really got like little magnets. Focus. Can you see the little magnets on there? That's crazy. I wonder if this will like hurt your vision, like later on down in life. The lashes are cute. They definitely like attach real quickly. You don't have to wait for nothing to dry or nothing like that. I'm loving the lashes. But the application, I don't know. Look at my wing line. They look crazy. Let me just thicken this wing line up. Massive wing line it is because I done effed up. Alright, next is a Tarte Man Eater. Warning. It does says warning. Warning. Maximum compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and lightweight triple black formula. And this is $23. For some mascara though, bruh. Oh, this thing thick. This spoolie is OD thick. I like for the corners to be like thinned out so it can get in the corner of the eye and I won't give myself a black eye. It's real tiny bristles, which I really like. And then the last thing in this BoxyCharm box is the MAC Cosmetic Meat Matte Lipstick, iconic product that made MAC famous. This creamy rich formula features high color payoff and a no shine matte finish, and this is $19. And this is, what? It's a ratchet name. Let's see how, well, it's MARRAKESH, whatever. I'm gonna put it right here for you guys to see. Can you see it? Yeah. And I have lipstick on. I forgot it gave me a lipstick because I did, you know, peek in it just to see what I was working with today. I feel like everybody gets the same in their BoxyCharm. I'm sure like people pick what they typically want in their BoxyCharm. Once I look like through the reviews and stuff and I see other people BoxyCharm's unboxing. It's all the same thing. Like, everybody gets the same in their box. This is a nice burgundy shade. Let's swatch her. Ooh. It's definitely more of a burnt orange shade. She's cute. It's like a burnt brown, orange, burnt color, rusted color. I use my MAC Prep and Prime, and this is the finished look. This is kind of different for me because I don't never really use blush, but I'm liking the blush, even though it was subtle. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So I don't know if I'm giving this away. Inbox me anyway, because I just might. But why y'all ain't tell me I had my iPad and charger on the bed? The aesthetic was just thrown off that whole video. But excuse the iPad and the charger. I put it to the side. But anyway, don't forget to enter that giveaway. I am doing a giveaway. If you want to check out what I'm giving away, the link will be down below to that video. Watch that video straight through and see what I'm giving away, sis. It's tea. It's tea. But anyway, if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, peace. I would like to get to know you.